Hello again, Sasa, and welcome back to the course. So let's just recap over what we should be doing in each of these essays. In this introduction, we want a paraphrase of the question, which you seem to have, a thesis statement, and an outline statement. So in today's modern world, that should be that one, yeah. Whether people should cope with the advance of technology or whether it is the technology itself that must be modified to humanity's needs is an issue of great importance. In my opinion, it is a must that humans should try their utmost to adapt to technology, let's say to adapt to emerging technologies, in order to lead a better life. Okay. So your intro is actually good, but I suspect that we may be conflating ideas here, but I'll speak more on that in a sec. We don't need that. I we need a little bit of explanation here. The over-reliance has resulted. This should be a semicolon. I think we should have gone more with this point. Instead of just children used to go outdoors, now they don't. It would have been better to talk about how, for instance, using a calculator to solve mathematical problems negates the need to learn it yourself. You don't have to understand how to solve a mathematical problem because you have a calculator to do it for you. So this discourages people from having to learn how to do it. It's not exclusively to blame, is it? Okay, no, I'm happy with that. The task response is good. The only point really in which it was weak was here. This entire paragraph should have been about how over-reliance on technology causes an intellectual decline. You can see as well, before I added this bit, this paragraph was quite underdeveloped. But this is good now. There wasn't actually much to edit with yours, so we're down to, this is a good thing, we're down to the small corrections now. There's only this point of task response that we need to focus on. The rest of it is minor grammatical errors. But let's have a look at your next one, your task 1. Oh, so this is the bar chart, not par chart. Okay, so this graph says nothing about their nationality. It just says from where they are flying. Tourists from Mexico, Canada, and the USA. Okay, so after the definition, we can gap it for the general statement. Again, try not to speak of their nationality. It really should be tourists from America, tourists from the USA, visitors from Canada, people coming from Mexico. Also, we separate thousands of units with a comma. Once again, citizenship is not stated in the graph. Don't mix the method by which you relay numbers. Keep it consistent. Again and again. Don't need that. So there again, American origin, they're not, it doesn't say where they were born, it says where they flew from. Okay. I would put this here. And then we have the definition, the general description, and then the detailed description. We're building up the detail. But once again, keep these consistent. Only speak about the information that's in the graph. Don't add any extra information yourself, such as nationality or birthplace or citizenship. And again, pay attention to the smaller corrections in grammar. But I'll send this over to you now. I look forward to your next pieces, Sasa. Nice to see you back. And yeah, have a nice day.